So today we are going to make seared salmon with lemon Dijon sauce. With each meal you get this card, and on the back side it tells you all the information you need to prepare this meal. It's got easy directions. Number 1 says prepare. Number 2 says roast carrots. 3, cook kusu. 4, season and cook salmon. And 5, make sauce. 6, finish and serve. On the left hand side here, it lets you know what you need besides what came in the box. Like what kind of bowl, pot, pan, paper towels, and some of the seasonings that do not come in the box. Now I'm going to show you the bag where all the stuff comes in and the produce. Just to let you know, on this day it was pretty noisy in the house, so I had to do a voiceover while I cooked this meal. Let me go ahead and open this bag and show you everything that's in it. So what we have here is 4 carrots, some couscous in a bag, Dijon mustard, a lemon, some garlic cloves, some veggie stock concentrate. So your meat, chicken, pork, fish come wrapped separately in a sealed pouch.
This is Jedis for Jesus, and we are Bible-believing Christians.
And this is what the salmon looks like. Now you want to go ahead and slice them long ways like this. Now what I like to do here is I put it in a bowl, and then I go ahead and place olive oil on the carrots. Season it with garlic, salt, and pepper. Then you want to go ahead and preset the oven to 450 degrees, and you put these carrots in for 20 to 25 minutes. Now I like to go ahead and put aluminum over the cookie sheet. Just makes it that much easier for cleanup, and this is the way that I place the carrots onto the cookie sheet. They give you a lemon, but you don't always have to use the entire thing. You use part of it. Now you move on to number 3, cooking couscous. Since you did number 2, roast carrots. So it gives you detailed instructions. Now it says add stock concentrate and 3/4 cup water. Bring to a boil and cover and reduce heat to low. Cook couscous until tender, 6 to 8 minutes. Keep covered, off heat until ready to serve. Now the next step is number 4, season and cook salmon. It says pat salmon dry with paper towels. Season with salt and pepper. Heat and drizzle of oil in a large, preferably non-stick pan over medium-high heat. Add salmon to pan, skin side down. Cook salmon until skin is crisp, 5 to 7 minutes. Flip and cook until cooked thoroughly. 1 to 2 minutes more. Turn off heat, transfer to a plate, wipe out pan, and let cool slightly. Now after number 4, after you cook the salmon, you go to number 5, make sauce. Dice 2 tablespoons butter. In a small bowl, combine mustard, 1 tablespoon water, half teaspoon sugar, juice from the lemon, wedges, and as much lemon zest as you like. Heat and drizzle of oil in pan used for salmon over medium heat. Add remaining garlic and a pinch of salt. Cook, stirring occasionally until fragrant, 30 to 60 seconds. Whisk in mustard mixture. Add diced butter, 1 piece at a time, whisking continuously until butter has melted and sauce has thickened. 1 to 2 minutes more. Keep covered off heat until ready to serve. Now we're going to go ahead and take the carrots out of the oven.
If you got any value out of this video, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell to be notified when we upload a brand new video. Thank you.
Serve up the salmon on each plate and get the couscous on each plate and the carrots. And we're ready to go ahead and sit and eat dinner.
This is Jedis for Jesus. Hope to see you one day soon in heaven.